Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasyakar, greetings, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. This is Mujtaba Slim, the owner of Crypto Global 100, and this video is not about any technical analysis, basically a short introduction, not a brief introduction. I will do the Q&A in the upcoming videos, and welcome all the viewers from Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and from all over the world, including USA, UK, Canada, Philippines, from everywhere who subscribe to my channel, who viewed my channel. Thank you very much for the giving me the value you trusted. And this is just a brief, no, this is just a short summary, short introduction on this channel. You can see, let me show you the comment section here. A lot of you guys have really made us valuable feedbacks here, and a lot of you guys requested me to predict on certain coins. Okay, let me tell you first thing, let me show you my trading view account so that you guys can have an idea how long I've been doing the cryptocurrency. You can see here, this is my page on the trading view Crypto Global 100, and I joined 3 years ago. Okay, so I've been in the cryptocurrency since 3 years. Okay, for over 3 years. And one more thing, just ignore the mistakes of my English language. I've been, you know I have a lot of complaints by through my subscribers or by my subscribers that my English is not good, but it's okay. I will try myself to deliver as much as I can. And this is me in front of you guys. Okay, uh, I try to predict a lot of coins. This is what I do. You can see my trading view account, and I have predicted a lot of coins. As you know, as a student or as an intermediate student, you can call me, I'm learning as well. You see, not everything is 100% correct. Always there are two possibilities: either price goes up or price goes down. What I do, for example, let me show you with any analysis. For example, this was the wink I predicted few days ago, but it didn't go well. Okay, due to the price fluctuations in the market. Let me check. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, due to the price fluctuations in the market, I predicted with the help of technical analysis. Okay, and I used to predict. Okay, so the thing you need to understand is how much the percentage of correction. Okay, how many of my decisions are going in the right direction. This is all about the percentage. You see the trading when you let me check. I'm constantly checking whether it is recording or not. Okay, the thing is, you have to understand that not everything goes in the right direction. Okay, for example, I predicted, let's suppose, Cardano. Okay, I predicted that with the help of my technical analysis with sport zone, trend line, whatever the technical terms are. Okay, you need to follow your system. You need to trust on your system. If you have a system, it means losses are also acceptable. Okay, you need to accept the losses as well. If you want to do the analysis on the longer run, if you want to become a trader on the longer run, you need to accept the losses as well. Okay, so many of you guys also complained, or you can, whatever you can name it, they complained about that I didn't predict it right, my analysis went wrong. Some of you guys really appreciated, most of you guys appreciated, but some of the guys thought that I predicted wrong, but that was not the case. Okay, you need to understand it that trading is not an easy job. Okay, you have to always look at the different aspects, different scenarios, what the price of BTC is going, BTC dominance, alts dominance, and many other things are always in the place. You have to look for the daily, weekly, and other time frame charts, whether you are swing trader, you're a scalper, or you're a long term trader. So it all depends. Okay, it all depends on the goals you're looking at, the goals you're looking for. Okay, for many of you guys, we are basically, I know the thinking of many Asian traders, that they used to do the intraday trading. You buy today, you sell today. Okay, for intraday trading, the analysis is different. This is called the scalping. You buy in and out in the same day. Okay, so there are a lot of factors you need to measure, you need to cover. Okay, so if you want to become a good trader, just try to learn. When I make videos, my goal is also to provide you with the education which I know. Okay, I don't hold any indicators, I don't hide any indicators. You can see with in my videos that most of my videos, I try to predict in front of you guys. I draw the support, I draw the resistance levels in front of you guys, so that you can also learn. Okay, the the goal of this channel is not to gain views or subscribers. The goal is to provide value to all the subscribers. Okay, to all the subscribers, whether they have subscribed, whether they are returning, whether they are new to this channel. I welcome all the viewers. Okay, I welcome all the viewers from all over the world. And the next thing is, most of you guys complain about not understanding me, right? Because of some lack in the communication skills, like English language. But I try myself to speak as fluent as possible. Okay, so that you guys can easily understand me. But some complaints also come. Sorry for those peoples. I can't. I am not an expert in English language, and you just have to understand. Okay, just try to understand my situation. I am not making this video in Hindi or in Urdu for Pakistani and Indian people. I'm making the content globally, not for some specific region. Okay, if I target the global people, my goal is to provide education to all over the world. Okay, in the in the near future, what is my goal? The goal is, I might be developing a course from beginners to expert level. I'm not expert. I'm not an expert, but I will make a course, a certain course. I will try to help you guys so that you guys can trade on your own. Okay. And the other thing is, you guys can post on the community. If we go to the community tab of my channel, you can see here I have I have posted this one. Which coin should I predict? Let me know in the comments. So you see a lot of subscribers, they used to comment, but the thing is, I have got so many comments. You can see on the screen right now. I can't reply to everyone, but my first priority is to give value to all the people. Okay, to all the subscribers. So please, don't mind if I don't predict every coin you said, but that's why I posted on this community tab, so that you guys can mention your name, you mention your cryptocurrency you want me to predict for you. And the other thing, the last thing would be, please don't get angry at me. I'm not an expert. I am trying my best to give you the values. I'm trying my best to give you the right predictions can get wrong. No one is 100%. Okay, no one is 100% except God. So we humans make mistakes. That's why we are human. So that was, I think that's enough from my side. So if you have any queries about me, you can ask any question in the comment section of this video. So that's it. That's over and out from Crypto Global 100. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like, it's okay. I still I still love you guys. Okay, just if you want to come here for some specific coins, it's okay, no problem. I'm here for you guys. If you want to subscribe my channel, it's your decision, and I'm happy with all the things. Okay, I will continue to do my work. So that's it, guys. Take care. Bye bye. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know it was a introduction video. Take care. Bye bye.